So here we have some busted down Alcantara. You can see it's oily, it's flat. We're gonna fix that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our Polestar out the pump, KCX brush, boar's hair, a couple little sprays. We're gonna get this G-Wagon steering wheel looking right. We're gonna go through. Sometimes this takes a few rounds. I'm just gonna gently massage it. You can really see it right here, this corner. See that corner, how shiny it is? And all we're doing is working those fibers up gently. I like to do this in rounds. So I'll go here and then I'll go through and clean it off. You can already see that it's starting to pull that stuff, that gunk out. These Alcantaras with oils in your hands, it gets real nasty. It's really starting to loosen up now. There we go. He's starting to get the fibers back. You can actually see the lines that I can create in it now. So those fibers are now standing back up. I've used other products. This product, for some reason, works absolutely fantastic on this material. Paired with this brush. I've done it with and without the brush. With the brush, I just feel like you get peak performance. But a lot of people ask, how do you return Alcantara? How do you get Alcantara back? Sometimes it feels like you can't get it back where it's so beat up. And this may take a few times only because it's so packed with oils and grease. But it doesn't take long at all. This is a big difference. So once your client gets in the car, puts their hands on the steering wheel, they're going to know this car was detailed, because the tactical feel of the steering wheel is going to feel completely different. And this was a used G-Wagon, so they've never felt the new Alcantara on it. So when they get in here, they're going to definitely notice a difference. So, depending on how old it is, it may not come back as much as you'd like, just because those fibers do wear over time, just like any other material. But it's a whole lot better. I already did this side. So, yeah, that's how you get Alcantara back. You could just repeat until you get, till you know it's not going to go any further, but I'll probably do this a couple more times. And that's it. Here we are with a rough steering wheel. So here is the material, and here's what we are working with. So I'm not sure if this is grime or if this is the material. Sometimes the material just starts to deteriorate. But we're going to see what I'm not even playing games. I'm just going straight MZR. Ooh wee.
Oh, that's junk.
Ooh.
That's nastiness.
Wee.
That's some funk build up.
Oh. Okay, so you saw the Alcantara. Let's just make sure that you guys have a towel, because you see it dripping. Just make sure you guys got a towel or something. That's ooh wee. Oh, okay. All right, I'm not judging. You ain't judging. So can you grab me a Kirk Franklin or something?
Yes.
see the color. Okay, you guys a good idea. Here's the first wipe. Woo! Okay, that's just the first wipe. You could see the material change. It's there's no texture here because it's clogged with the grime. So we're just gonna have to keep working this off. You can see the color just coming off. But this is definitely a job for MZR.
That should look like chocolate thunder.
Yeah. I got chocolate thunder dripping off of here. Oh, there we go. Now it's opening up. Ooh. Opening up. See that? All of that grime. I wasn't planning on recording today, but when we see stuff like this, this is steering wheel number 2. Okay, so now we're starting to see the material come back. So you can see the material in here now, the texture. That means we're removing some of the grime. And once again, MZR coming through. I'm not even going to attempt to start using a scrubber or anything with this. I'm just going to work it, let it work off, because if I do, all I'm going to do is clog up my scrubber, and then I won't be able to use it when I need it, or I'm going to be trying to clean it out for, well, we have extras with us. We have a few with us. We usually bring about 3 of them, but still. Woo. And MZR diluted 10-to-1 is doing the trick. You guys already know MZR is our go-to for these heavy soil jobs. So Polestar for the Alcantara, MZR for the grime. Oh yeah, we're back in business. And this just takes time. All you're doing is breaking down these layers of grime and letting the product do the work. I probably should have laid a towel down back here, but the rest of this stuff is grimy too, so. Okay. All right, so now we can actually see the part that's worn opposed to the part that's grime. When I first started out, there was a few times where I just thought that thing was worn down. This is usually, see it on work trucks. Like women, you get the makeup for the most part, and then the men, you'll see stuff like this.
It's the working hands.
Yeah.
For that Flintstone hands right there.
All I'm doing is working it in with my glove. You can work it in with the towel, do whatever you want. That's your prerogative. Think about that, Sal.
I would have went straight to steam.
The hot towel, huh? You can give it the hot towel method too, guys. You could definitely give it the hot towel method. Hot towel method is nice. So now you can see So here's a little section where it's still there, and it's real tacky. It's super sticky right here. But yeah, that's how it goes. So I'll show you right here, real time. Oh, look at that! It just breaks it down. And yeah, other stuff will break it down, but I'm telling you, man, MZR, save yourself some time.
Hold on. I got Polestar right here. Get Polestar. See what Polestar does.
Well, it's already clean.
The other side. Get the other side going on.
I can't see on the other side. Is it even bad? No, it's not. It's always going to be this side. That's the worst. But Polestar, well, we'll finish it up with Polestar because it's pH neutral. Oh, and it leaves a protectant behind. So we're still going to steam this vehicle. So it will get one more round of deep cleaning with the steam on it. Let me check back here. Oh, look. Oh, yes. See, this is what I'm talking about right here. Here's some more of the grime. The thickness. See that thick grime right there? Look at that. Oh. Oh, Lord. There you go. Coming off. If you don't have MZR, you're going to be here probably a little bit longer. But if you do have it, you already know. Look at that. Boom. Try making that shit at home.
That's just baking soda.
It's just baking soda. Glycerin. No. I'm just playing. I'm just having fun. No, I'm just having fun. Make your products if you have to. If you want to. Some people want to.
Serrano sauce?
Yeah, Serrano sauce. Does its thing. Serrano said he gets a lot of hate for that sauce. Yeah. So, anyway, that's the second steering wheel. And, yeah. MZR for the win. Polestar for the win on the Alcantara. And MZR for the vegan leather on this guy here. So, pick it up. Car Supplies Warehouse. Details 10. Both of them. Save you some cash.